We're here at the Handbuilt Motorcycle Show in Austin, Texas, 2024. An amazing show. Let's come check it out. With so many amazing motorcycles at this show, it was hard to show them all. But I'm gonna show you the best of the best that I thought you would enjoy. The Handbuilt Motorcycle Show is like none other motorcycle show you've ever attended. It's not about competition and it's not about trophies. It's more of an art exhibit on wheels. So what's special about this year's Handbuilt Motorcycle Show is that one of my motorcycles was selected to be part of this event. Once again, another amazing event by Revival Cycles out here in Austin, Texas. Until next year, to the 2025 Handbuilt Motorcycle Show, stay tuned.